Hello, friends. Have you ever felt that whisper in your soul, that tiny nudge that says, there's something more out there for me? If so, you're in the right place because in this video, we're diving deep into a step-by-step guide to help you discover your dream in life. Get ready to unlock your full potential and create a life that truly lights you up. Number 1. Self-reflection. This journey begins with ourselves. Think back to those moments when you felt truly alive, those activities that made you lose track of time. What were you doing? What topics could you spend hours exploring without getting bored? Now, let's rewind even further. Remember those childhood dreams, those wild and wonderful aspirations before the world told you what was practical? What did you want to be when you were a kid? And as we're on this journey of self-discovery, let's talk about your values. What's truly important to you? Is it about making a difference in the world, expressing your creativity, or creating a life of financial abundance? So grab your journal, find a quiet corner, and let's dive into these prompts. Number 2, explore your strengths and talents. We each have our own unique set of superpowers, those inherent strengths and talents that make us, well, us. So let's start by asking, what are you naturally good at? What skills come easily to you? The ones that others might find challenging? Don't be shy. This is the time to own your brilliance. Reach out to your trusted circle, your friends, family, mentors, or colleagues. Ask them what they see as your strengths, what you're amazing at. Remember, our strengths and talents aren't just about skills, they're about how we approach the world. Are you a natural communicator, a creative problem solver, or a compassionate listener? Embrace all aspects of your brilliance. Be curious, be bold, and get ready to unleash the full power of you. 3. Try new things. All right, dream chasers, it's time to inject some excitement into the journey. This chapter is all about embracing the unknown, about stepping outside of our comfort zones and saying yes to new experiences. Think of it as a grand adventure, a chance to sample the delicious buffet of life and discover what truly makes your heart sing. So, what calls to you? Have you always been curious about painting, learning a new language, or maybe starting your own business? This is your sign to dive in. Remember, you don't have to be an expert right away. This is about exploration, about embracing the joy of learning and discovering hidden passions. Sometimes the most unexpected experiences lead us down the most incredible paths. Life is too short to play it safe. This is your time to embrace adventure and discover the incredible magic that happens when you step outside of your comfort zone. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards growth and self-discovery. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how minor they may seem. Share your journey with others, inspire them to take their own leaps of faith. You never know, your courage might just spark a wave of change in someone else's life. The possibilities are endless when you open yourself up to new experiences. So, go ahead, take that first step and see where the journey takes you. Embrace the excitement of the unknown and the thrill of discovery. Live your best life by continuously trying new things and pushing your boundaries. The joy and fulfillment that come from personal growth are truly unmatched. Remember, the journey of self-improvement and exploration is endless, and that's what makes it so beautiful. Number 4, set goals and take small steps. Now that we've spent time exploring your passions, strengths, and interests, it's time to turn those dreams into actionable steps. This is where the magic happens. Because, my friend, a dream without action is just a wish, and we are here to make those wishes come true. This chapter is about setting powerful goals and creating a roadmap to bring your vision to life. A vision board can be a great tool to visualize your dreams. Let's start by breaking down your dream into smaller, bite-sized goals. This makes the journey less overwhelming and more manageable. These short-term goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is often referred to as the SMART criteria. Small, consistent steps forward create incredible momentum over time. Remember, progress is progress no matter how small. And speaking of action, let's talk about actually taking it. Action is the bridge between dreams and reality. It's time to move beyond the planning stage and start implementing those baby steps. Each step brings you closer to your goal. As you start working towards your goals, you'll encounter challenges and obstacles. But through these experiences, you'll gain valuable insights and discover what truly resonates with you. This is part of your self-discovery journey. The key is to keep moving forward, no matter what. one step at a time towards that beautiful dream of yours. Every step you take is a step closer to making your dream a reality. Number 5. Seek inspiration. Sometimes, my friend, we need a little spark to ignite our imagination, a dose of inspiration to fuel our souls. This chapter is all about surrounding yourself with people, stories, and ideas that light you up and remind you of the infinite possibilities that await. One powerful way to invite inspiration is through reading and research. Dive into books, articles, and documentaries about careers, lifestyles, and hobbies that pique your interest. Learn from the journeys of others, soak in their wisdom, and let their stories spark new ideas within you. Remember, inspiration can be found in the most unexpected places. A walk in nature, a conversation with a friend, or even a piece of art. Keep your eyes open, your heart receptive, and your mind curious. Number 6. Listen to your intuition. In the depths of our being lies an incredible compass, a guiding force that knows us better than we sometimes know ourselves, our intuition. This inner voice is always there, waiting for us to listen, to guide us through the complexities of life. This chapter is all about learning to tap into that inner wisdom and trusting the whispers of your soul. It's about recognizing that you have a powerful ally within you, one that can lead you to your true path. Have you ever had a gut feeling about something, a deep knowing that you couldn't quite explain? That sensation is more than just a fleeting thought. It's a profound connection to your inner self. That, my friend, is your intuition speaking. It's a subtle yet powerful force that can guide you through life's challenges and opportunities. It's that quiet voice within, guiding you towards your truth. It may not always shout, but it always knows the way. Start paying attention to those subtle nudges, those feelings of excitement or resistance that arise when you think about certain paths. These feelings are not random. They are your intuition trying to communicate with you. Notice how your body responds to different activities or ideas. Your physical reactions are often the first indicators of your true feelings. Do you feel energized and excited or drained and depleted? These emotional responses are your body's way of telling you what aligns with your true self. Your emotional responses are powerful indicators of what lights you up. Trust yourself, my friend. Trust that inner voice that knows you better than anyone else. You have within you all the wisdom you need to navigate this journey. Embrace it, listen to it, and let it guide you to your true path. Number 7. Reflect on your experiences. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery, it's essential to create a space for reflection, a place to process your experiences and uncover those aha moments. This chapter is about becoming an observer of your life, noticing the patterns and themes that emerge along the way. One powerful tool for reflection is journaling. Set aside some time each day to jot down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Don't censor yourself. Let it all flow out onto the page. Regularly review your journal entries. Look for recurring themes, patterns, or synchronicities that emerge. By taking the time to process your experiences, you'll gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your path. Number 8. Consider your impact. Now that we've spent time exploring your passions and aspirations, let's shift our focus outward. This chapter is about connecting your dream to a larger purpose, about considering the impact you want to make on the world. Think about the legacy you want to leave behind. How do you want to be remembered? What positive change do you want to contribute to the world? Your dream isn't just about you. It's about the difference you can make in the lives of others. Look for ways to align your passions with a cause or issue that matters deeply to you. When you connect your dream to a larger purpose, you infuse it with meaning and motivation. Number 9. Be patient and persistent. My dear friend, discovering and living your dream is a journey, not a race. It's about embracing the ups and downs, the twists and turns, and trusting that the path will unfold perfectly in its own time. Be patient with yourself and the process. Some people have an aha moment where their dream becomes crystal clear, while others uncover their path gradually over time. There's no right or wrong way, just your unique journey. Embrace the detours and challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. And most importantly, never give up on your dreams. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Number 10. Seek professional guidance. As you navigate the exciting and sometimes overwhelming journey of discovering your dream, remember that you don't have to go it alone. There are incredible resources and support systems available to help guide and support you along the way. If you're feeling stuck or unsure about your next steps, consider reaching out to a career counselor or coach. These professionals can provide valuable insights, help you clarify your goals, and create an action plan to achieve them. Sometimes our dreams are intertwined with deeper emotional patterns or beliefs. If you're struggling to identify your passions or feel held back by limiting beliefs, working with a therapist can be incredibly beneficial. Surround yourself with a team of cheerleaders, mentors, and guides who believe in your dreams as much as you do. So there you have it, beautiful souls, your step-by-step guide to discovering your dream in life. Remember, this is a journey of self-discovery, a chance to create a life that lights you up from the inside out. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What resonated most with you in this video? What action steps are you excited to take? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspirational content. See you in the next video.